afternoon, YouTube. Today, something different. I think you're gonna like it. Traditional Big Mac. What do y'all think about it? We love it, so I'm gonna make one. What do y'all think? Anyway, first off, we're gonna start with pickles. We're just gonna slice some pickles up. And yes, I'm trying to make them kind of like paper thin like McDonald's does. Alright. Then, we're going to... Oh, I wasn't prepared for all this. Anyway, there's the pickles. Okay. Now we're going to take some lettuce. And we're just going to shred it. And the way I like to do this, just kind of take my knife and just kind of work my way through the head. Just like that. And it actually gets a pretty good shred on the lettuce. Just like that. And as you can see, it's pretty good shred on it. You'll have a few bigger pieces like that, but for the most part, it's a good shred. So, everything else is going to happen out there on the flat top, and we'll be back for that. Alright y'all, it's time to put on the meat. So, basically got 4 balls here. We're just gonna put them on, kind of smash them down. Just like that. Okay, just like that. Now, a little special secret that McDonald's uses is they put salt and pepper on them. Don't ask me how I know that. So we're just going to let them cook for a little bit, flip them over, and we'll be back. Alright y'all, we're going to flip them over. Just like that. Put some salt and pepper on this side. Alright. We'll let that finish up cooking and we'll be back. Alright y'all, it's time to grill up the buns. As everybody knows, the traditional Big Mac bun has a bun in the middle. And all I did was cut the top of it off, and there you have it. And you have a middle bun, because you can't find middle buns anywhere. So that's how you do that, is just cut the tops of them off as even as you possibly can, and there you have it. Okay, the buns are done now. So just like that, nice grilled up buns. Now it's time to put the cheese on them. And I'm just using American cheese, just like McDonald's would. Just like that. Alright, y'all. Now it's time to build them. So, just like McDonald's, they have a secret sauce. Well, so do I. And put that on the bottom. Add your lettuce. Then add your pickles. Put your burger together, and there you have it. Classic Big Mac. A little bit of lettuce. Put your pickles. And there you go. Big Mac it is. Now we're gonna eat. Alright, y'all. Well, it's done.
Yay!
And it looks good. Oh my gosh.
It's so much bigger than the Big Mac, though.
It is bigger than Big Mac. But this is my version of the Big Mac.
I'm not saying. I mean,
This is the way Big Mac should be.
should be. I mean, it's real beef. It's cooked on the grill. Who doesn't want this Big Mac? Just saying, I don't know if I can take it that big of a bite. How do you want me to bite this? Mm-hmm. Yes. The sauce,
That is a Big Mac.
the burger, it's all together best.
That is a Big Mac. Well, y'all, make your own Big Mac.
Figure out your own secret sauce too. Put what you like. I put what I like, but it is delicious. And so it looks like a Big Mac, but it tastes so much better.
But it does have that Big Mac taste to it.
Yeah, it does.
It really does.
Because I'm good like that.
You are good like that. So,
I like my Big Mac.
definitely make it. Anything else?
Why does it always happen?
I don't know.
You're talking or I'm talking?
Right?
But no, I have nothing else besides like,
Share
subscribe,
and hit that bell.
so you can get some more delicious recipes like this.
Yeah.
Thanks,
Definitely.
guys.
We'll be back.